Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of March 10th through the 17th. And since 17th is St. Patrick's Day, I thought I would do a St. Patrick's Day theme. So if you are interested in seeing those, I'll make sure I leave a link down below of all of my old planner spreads that have like a St. Patrick's Day theme. I think I have a couple that are weekly and then at least one that's monthly, I think. So, but I'll leave them all down below in the description box if you're interested in checking those out. And so today I'm going to be, I'm going to grab this paper. This is actually a paper I had in my Valentine's Day stash, and it has this like cool like gold foily or glittery paper. And the nice thing about this glittery paper is it doesn't come off. There's no like, there's a tiny bit, but not a whole lot. So I thought it would be good to use that. So I just grabbed that out of my Valentine's Day stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and use this kind of as my main paper. And then I have a bunch of like journal cards, and I have this cute little I'm so lucky. And I think that this is great right now because this came, I think, from one of my planner friends. This is the perfect timing for this because I definitely feel very lucky right now. I mean, if you have been following my channel, if this is not your first time watching my videos, I've been going through a loss in the family, and we had the memorial on Saturday, and I had a bunch of my friends there to kind of help me and support me and help me like with reception, and just like, honestly, I feel so lucky that I have really good friends in my life that, and I'm going to get emotional, that, you know, just take care of me and love me. So, this is just kind of exactly the right time for me to kind of do the, this is kind of my inspiration because this is how I feel right now. Especially, you know, obviously with everything going on, it's a blessing to just have people in your life that care about you. So I am going to kind of make this my journal card centerpiece thing. So I'm going to kind of put that aside. And then I have another journal card and just a little cut of parts and a lot of stickers. And I have this really cute little image here. I'm not sure if it's going to really go with this because it's kind of vintagey, but I really want to use it. So I'll have to see if I can somehow incorporate that in there. And then this sticker came from this sticker book that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's called Months of the Year, and it was on sale because I never buy anything from Paper Studio unless it's on sale. And so the basically the sticker book is really cool. It just has a one sheet for like each month of the year. And yeah, I just think it's really cool, and I really liked the St. Patrick's Day one. It's really hard to find different types of St. Patrick's Day stickers. I mean, you know, you could go and find, like, I bought these at Hobby Lobby last year probably, or the year before that. You can find like stickers like this, or, you know, other kind of like cartoony looking stickers, but it's hard to find like really pretty stickers for St. Patrick's Day. So I really bought it specifically for this particular one. And then I really liked the, I love the April one as well, but I probably won't even use it for April. And I really actually like the 4th of July one too. So I really thought this one was really pretty. So I'll probably bring that out for 4th of July. So let's go ahead and get started. And I think that I am going to do a voiceover this time around. I'm just feeling like I want to watch some YouTube while I do this. So I'll go ahead and start the process. Since my inspiration piece was really these sticker sheets, I wanted to make sure that I incorporated as many of the stickers as I could. So I kind of looked at them just to plan it out. This sticker that says March, it said like love, faith, and a pot of gold or something like that at the bottom in the white writing. You can't really see it in the video, but it's a really cute sticker, and I definitely wanted to use that. And I was trying to get it to fit onto that side panel. It just wasn't quite fitting. I do end up cutting the two ends clovers off, and then it fit just fine. But I was trying to avoid cutting those off, but it couldn't be helped.
Okay, so I'm going to take this gold glitter paper and I'm basically just going to cut boxes this time. I really wanted very limited paper because I felt like the um, the paper wasn't really going to have stickers. Wasn't going to be able to stick stickers on the paper because it was like glitter paper. So I knew it would be hard to stick stickers on it. And so I wanted to kind of use minimal paper. So I'm just going to cut up a couple of boxes and then put them down kind of randomly on the page. Well, not randomly. I put them on a specific spot on the pages. So I'm just going to cut up the boxes. And I did cut up one of the boxes and then kind of used it as a template for the rest of them. And I won't bore you with watching me cut up all of these boxes. So with the magic of editing, the boxes are cut. So that's kind of what the pattern will look like. And then I wanted to grab some washi tape. And as I was going through my washi tape, I found this really thin navy washi. And some of the pictures, the stickers actually had navy. That's not typically a color I use a lot in my planner. And I just thought that since the stickers already had that color in it, that I would use that to accent some of the colors, some of the different areas. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this really big gold washi and I'm going to put that down the side panel. I could have probably used one of the pieces, the glitter pieces, but I wanted to save the other 6x6 paper for my journal card. So I wouldn't have had enough to do that and the journal card. So I just decided to use this other piece of gold washi tape, padded in my stash forever, so I do not know where I got it. So I'm going to just put that on the side panel and then I'm going to eventually put that sticker onto the side panel as well. And of course, when I cut this, I cut it completely crooked. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to fix it a little bit. And then I'm going to run just a strip of that little the navy washi down the side as well. So there I am cutting off the little shamrocks and then making sure that that fit, and it does finally fit on there. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of the navy just to bring in a touch of that navy, and then I do use a glue stick to glue on the washi tape, first of all because it's really thin, and secondly it had that glitter washi is kind of hard to glue things down on. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that, and then I will eventually put that sticker on the side panel. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my little trusty glue dots tape adhesive roller thing here and put that little sticker box or the glitter boxes down in a couple of different spots. I really like how this spread turned out because I feel like it's a little bit more of a sophisticated look for a St. Patrick's Day spread. Again, I feel like the stickers definitely helped, the stickers that I bought at Hobby Lobby, but I didn't use a lot of green. Green is not really my favorite color. It's not really a color I use often. I do like it as an accent color, but I don't like it like as a main color. So I was glad that I found that gray or the navy kind of as an accent piece, and then of course there will be green on the picture because, or the layout, because you can't really have a St. Patrick's Day layout without green. All right, and I recently did a couple of videos called my top 10, and I kind of did different things on there, and one of the videos I have is things I like about my planner, and one of the things that I liked about my planner is the way that I used washi tape. So as I was going through some of my layouts, I found a couple of different techniques that I had used in the past that I really liked the way that it looked. So one of them was how I used washi tape, and specifically how I use kind of this thin washi tape. I'm pretty sure I got that tape at Hobby Lobby. It came like in a pack. I'm pretty sure that was from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so I just wanted to kind of, again, bring in some of that navy accent. So I used the couple pieces of washi tape on the lines there. And then I took another piece of washi tape, a totally different color of gold. I've got a couple of different gold types of washi, but I think ultimately with the stickers it looks fine. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the edge there, and then I'm going to also put another strip of the thin navy washi down at the bottom. This was really hard to do when I was doing this, really hard. Because my fingers kept getting all sticky and it was sticking to my fingers versus the paper. And, but ultimately I got it taken care of when I got it on there. And as I was doing this, my son actually walked into the room and started talking to me about some stuff. And I love it when my kid comes in my room and starts talking to me. I mean, he's 19, so it happens very, very rarely that he'll come into my room and talk to me. But I am leaving a little bit of a clip in right after sticker time. So you'll hear that clip right after sticker time. So if you're interested, make sure you don't fast forward through sticker time. Okay, here you go.
Love you, Mom.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Are you gonna leave that part in, the love you, Mom part?
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely leave that part in.
Okay, I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you too, baby.
Alright, should I leave now?
So I definitely had to leave that part in just because it was really cute that he said that. So anyway, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my journal card / my paper clip. So I kind of did this in kind of together, and I am going to be trying to do paper clips from now on. I used to do that all the time and then kind of stopped, and I'm going to try to bring that back because I really do like how they look in my planner. And like I said, during that video series that I did paper clips, like my favorite paper clips, and most of them were 2016 paper clips because I didn't really have any. So I'm going to bring that back. Okay, so I was going to use that little pin there that I had, but it just felt like it was too small. It wasn't giving me what I needed. So I decided that I just cut out that little shamrock piece from that journaling card, and then I wanted to have like a little flag hanging out on the side, and then so I cut those two little pieces of the gold glitter washi paper, but I didn't think that it wasn't a big enough contrast, so then I just took that and used it as a template to cut a little piece out of the journal card. And then I wanted to kind of have it so it wasn't like didn't look weird on the back, so I wanted to have kind of a backing on it. So I took some washi tape and I'm just going to go ahead and glue that to the back and then just cut around it. And then I did have to patch up some areas that didn't quite fit on the washi tape, so I had to do that little corner piece and then the little circle at the bottom. But I just think it looks better. It kind of gives it more of a finished look. And then I took the paper clip and I'm going to go ahead and grab my Pop Dots glue dots. They're really ultimately my favorite thing to make paper clips with because they're kind of a little bit squishy, like a little bit pliable. So the paper clip kind of you can press the paper clip inside the glue dot, and then you can then press that glue dot into whatever you're doing. And then I wanted to cover up kind of the glue dot, so I just put a couple other glue dots around and then stuck another piece of that washi tape on top just to cover it up and make it a little bit more clean on the back. All right, so I'm just going to take this 6x6 paper pad or paper that I had and that little I'm lucky, so lucky. And that's really what my journal card is going to look like. I'm going to put some washi tape on it and just keep it really simple this time. And yeah, just kind of do something real simple. And I did use that glue dots tape adhesive to glue that little piece down, but it didn't work. It's really hard to glue things on that glitter paper. So I ultimately did use Fabri-Tac. All right, so I went ahead and got it in my planner, and as soon as I got it in my planner, I'd forgotten that I didn't write a couple of things that I wanted to write. Really, all I had planned so far is the game night on Thursday, and then I have a journal flip through that's going to be on my channel for tomorrow. So, yeah, so there is my finished St. Patrick's Day planner layout for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.